So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if the display capture feature on your OBS shows a black screen. Now, in order to fix that, simply open the OBS. Now, for example, if I start a display capture right here, there we go. Now, when you start a display capture, all you need to do is ask you to select a display. In your case, if there are multiple display, you need to select of them. And if you just simply hit OK over here, you'll notice that the display capture will not capture anything. Now, in order to fix the black issue, it will look something like this. If you simply do not select any display, it will look something like this. Now, in order to fix that, simply click on the display capture option, and here click on this option of select a display to capture and select the monitor, your primary monitor, and what it does is simply fixes your issue. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.